Hi friends, today we are going to work with the selection bar or drop down box. If we click on the menswear, it will show only the menswear. If we click on the women's wear, it will show only the women's wear. If we click on the kids wear, it will show only the kids wear clothes. First, we are going to open the our code editor. In this code editor, I'm going to open the filter bar. I have named it as a filter bar, or you can name it as a search bar, or like selection bar, or selection option bar. You can name it. In this, first I'm going to work on this console dot. I'm going to create one use state like select or set select, or you can call it as a select bar, set select bar. I'm going to create one use state here, local variable, and make it as a null, or you can make it as a empty. Here I'm going to write a one on change function. In this, I'm going to take the or event. When this on change, when this changes, that event is called. Or you can write it here as a console also, event dot target dot value. Once go to our browser, if you open the browser, in this browser code come to the console, we click on this menswear, menswear, kidswear. If we click on the select bar, it will showing the empty and like empty, like how is showing through this value. Through this value, it is showing. If you remove this instead of the men's, I'm going to write menswear. I'm going to write instead of the kids. I'm going to write the kids. If we click on this, men's and kids. I'm going to store into the use state variable. Set select bar of event dot. Instead of displaying, I'm going to store into the in the use state variable. Set to select bar event dot target dot value. If you want to see, you can see here using consoling. Select bar. First it display like empty. Then if you want to see men's, women's, kids, once again click on the kids. If you select the nothing, it will showing the empty space, like or empty thing. Like this, we are going to create the select bar. But I'm going to create this select bar in our app component. I'm going to lifting that. It is called a state lifting. Here I am going to create the select bar. In the select props set select bar equal to set select bar. To passing like a same how a search bar I have passed. In the filter bar, I'm going to retrieve that select bar using the set select bar using the props. After this, it is calling. If you want to see this, once come to the app.jsx, you can console this one. You can console this one. Filter bar, filter bar, select bar, filter bar column, select bar. If you open the browser once again, it is showing the empty here. You click on this, it is showing the empty. If we type the menswear, it will showing the men's. If you type the women's, it will showing the filter bar column women's. It will type if you type the kids wear, it will showing the filter bar column kids. Like this it is showing. But I am going to use this in the query or to select bar. In this one. Using this single thing I am going to using here. Or products. If we click on this menswear, it is showing the menswear. If we click on the women's wear, it is showing the women's. Why it is showing not showing women's. Once check this one, men's. Men's are there, I think so. Men's. We show select. Nothing select. I think here is only woman is there. In the search and the filter bar, we are going to change it with man, woman, kid. I'm going to change it. According to this value, that on change is changed. If you want to see once again, go to the app component, see here. So this again once again console.log.select bar. According to this value of this filter bar option value, this it is changed. Here I have mentioned that none means you can mention none also. Men, women, kids. Kids means nothing is there, that's why. If you open this one, none also nothing. Instead of nothing, I'm going to place here empty. Empty means nothing. Menswear, menswear, men's it why it is showing means in the men's it is men, in the women also men. That's why it is including that one. Women's wear, no, women's only showing the only one because of women I have mentioned here. Women, that's why it is there in the women's saree only. If we click on the men, in the men's cloth also men is there. In the women in the woman there is a men is there. That's why it is showing this one. Kids nothing is there. Kids nothing is there. That's why it is showing the empty. No products are found. If we select this one first option, it will showing the all option. It will show the all options. That's all friends. We have worked on the filter bar also. Filter bar means drop down also. Uh, in the next class, we are going to work on the how to upload a image, like how to upload the product. We are going to create the form like a structure. In that, we are going to upload the this name and a description and quantity of the items. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel and support my channel.